Good afternoon, Mom. Good afternoon, classmates. Today, me and my partner were going to discuss about the different learning. Includes distance learning, e-learning, mobile learnings, and e-conferencing. But before we start, let me introduce myself first. By the way, I am Jorin Bakaling Masayon, the teacher for this video. And also let me introduce my partner, RV Monsler, the video editor for this video. So now, let's begin. Distance learning, a method of learning remotely, has gained popularity due to technological advancements and a desire for greater accessibility. It encompasses various forms, including online learning, correspondence courses, and home study. Distance learning offers numerous benefits, such as reduced costs, flexibility, and accessibility for students with diverse needs. It has become a widely accepted alternative to traditional classroom learning, with institutions offering a range of programs, including degree, courses, and certifications. Distance learning requires specific technology, including software like antivirus, word processing, and spreadsheets, with individual programs outlining their requirements. Tuition is often based on the number of courses taken, making it a cost-effective option compared to in-person learning. The appeal of distance learning lies in its convenience, flexibility, and pace. Students can study anytime, anywhere, accommodating work and family obligations. The self-paced nature allows them to progress at their own speed, spending more time on challenging subjects and less on easier ones. Distance learning can lead to career advancement through promotions, salary increases, or new career opportunities. While lacking face-to-face interaction, online courses often utilize that rooms and bulletin boards to foster social learning. Choosing a program requires careful evaluation of course content, accreditation, costs, methods, and communication opportunities. Successful distance learners are organized, self-motivated, and teach survey. Resources like the U.S. Distance Learning Association, the International Center for Distance Learning, and the Distance Education Clearinghouse can assist in finding suitable programs. Information technology has revolutionized the education of children with disabilities, providing software and techniques to support their learning. Deaf children, especially those born deaf, face significant challenges due to sensory deprivation, which can hinder their intellectual development and language acquisition. Early intervention is crucial, as the first 7 years are critical for neurological development. Without adequate acoustic stimulation during this period, irreversible damage can occur, leading to academic delays. However, early language stimulation through sign language can help deaf children achieve academic success on par with their hearers. Integrating information technology into education is crucial for two case reasons. First is we have to prepare students for a future workforce reliant on technology, and the second is to enhance teaching quality and effectiveness. E-learning or online learning utilizes the internet to provide education opportunities anytime, anywhere. It offers flexibility, allowing individuals to take short courses or pursue extensive learning for personal enrichment, certification, or degree programs. E-learning offers advantages such as eliminating commuting costs, allowing access to institutions worldwide, and fostering increased student interactions through online platforms. However, some students prefer face-to-face interaction and may find it challenging to maintain academic integrity in an online environment. Additionally, access to a computer and internet connection is essential, and distraction can be a factor in maintaining focus during online learning. Despite these challenges, e-learning offers a convenient and accessible option for those who are self-motivated and dedicated to their studies. Online learning communities are virtual spaces where individuals can connect, and learn together, either in conjunction with structured learning environments like online courses or independently. These communities can encourage equal participation or designate teachers and students. They can focus on any topic or learning style, bringing together people from all over the world to share knowledge and learn from each other without physical proximity. While similar to traditional learning environments, online communities exist primarily in virtual space, fostering global connection and diverse perspectives. Online learning communities can also extend traditional classroom learning, providing a virtual space for students to continue discussions and explore topics beyond the physical limitations of the classroom. These communities can be guided by teachers or organically formed by individuals with shared interests, fostering a sense of ownership and community involvement. However, the virtual nature of these communities can limit interaction for those who prefer face-to-face learning and can pose challenges for subjects requiring physical demonstration and experience. Mobile learning or learning utilizes mobile devices to deliver educational content, supplementing traditional classroom or online learning. M-learning offers flexibility, allowing students to access materials anytime, anywhere. It leverages mobile technology for podcasts, audio lectures, video demonstrations, file sharing, and collaboration via instant messaging. Ebook readers provide portable access to textbooks and notes, eliminating the need for bulky physical materials. Smartphones offer a comprehensive e-learning platform, combining educational content with communication tools. M-learning benefits include flexibility, accessibility, increased student-professor interaction, and potential cost-effectiveness. However, challenges include potential for technological disparities, cheating opportunities, compatibility issues, and potential social isolation. E-conferencing, a form of electronic communication, encompasses various methods of virtual interaction, from simple text-based chat to advanced audio-video conferencing, file sharing, and data exchange. While commonly associated with real-time interactions, e-conferencing also includes pre-recorded presentations for asynchronous learnings or business meetings. E-conferencing applications are becoming increasingly sophisticated, offering a wide range of features and robust security measures to facilitate seamless virtual collaboration. The growing popularity of computers and the internet is driving the demand for e-conferencing, making it a vital tools for communicating and knowledge sharing in today's interconnected world. So that's all. Thank you for watching and listening. Enjoy your day.